Ready to unlock Apollo Group TV with the power of Bitcoin. Let's ditch the credit card and get you watching in minutes. First, head over to the Apollo Group TV website and navigate to the subscription or pricing page. You'll need to choose the plan that best suits your viewing needs. Once you've selected your plan, look for the Bitcoin payment option. It's usually indicated by a Bitcoin logo. Clicking the Bitcoin option will generate a unique QR code and a long Bitcoin address. Copy the address carefully or scan the QR code with your Bitcoin wallet app. Double-check both. Errors can cost you the payment. Open your preferred Bitcoin wallet app like Coinbase, Trust Wallet, or Blockchain. Paste the copied address into the send or payment section of the app and enter the exact amount of Bitcoin required for the subscription, as displayed on the Apollo Group TV website. After sending the Bitcoin, return to the Apollo Group TV website. It usually takes a few minutes for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. The website should display a confirmation message once the payment is processed. Congratulations, your Apollo Group TV subscription is now active. Start enjoying your favorite shows and movies with the privacy and security of Bitcoin.